Yeah! Yeah!
Out of the back. So just so we can put that overall picture for us.
Okay, I just got a wreck.
So you can
Dude.
No, it's fine. Okay.
Is going to be for that were mostly untouched, not harassed.
Jesus Christ!
Yağmur.
Radio team, the Money Pit, Sunday afternoons from 3 to 5, right here on.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
We're at the zoo right now. Looks like he will be going. God damn, dude! Second to the most left lane, but swerving into the far left lane over the line.
Use the right 3 lanes to continue on North Collier Avenue.
Are you serious?
Sacrifice this life to not die alone. Sit in the palace.
It's a little more expensive. You get the industrial safety review. It's the same thing, man. The promise of uncompromising quality.
I kicked it and it didn't go. Like it's been here for one day. Well, I'm gonna quit.
You just go left. Built up these earthen mounds that they could hide.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! and he like Paris ends up having a good game.
I like kicked it and it didn't go. And like it hit the hole. One again. Well, how did it quit?